Hello guys, my name is Manvi Jain and I know in this corona pandemic you really want to listen some good news. Do you know? Hope Biden asked Pfizer CEO to allow India develop its vaccine, says Congressman Ro Khanna. With millions of lives at stake amid a rapid spread of COVID 19, Indian American Congressman Ro Khanna said he hoped President Joe Biden would call the Pfizer CEO to let India produce its vaccines at least for 6 months or a year. Khanna, who represents Silicon Valley in the US House of Representatives, has been an ardent supporter of the move by India and South Africa at the World Trade Organization for trade-related aspects of intellectual property rights waiver of COVID-19 vaccines. Allow India to develop that vaccine, and this is good in your own long-term interest. It's good for the United States and our interest with the role with India and the rest of the world, Khanna told the media. Major pharma companies like Pfizer and Moderna and organizations like the US Chambers of Commerce are opposing such a move. A day earlier, US Trade Representative Catherine Tai spoke with the CEOs of Pfizer and AstraZeneca regarding the TRIPS waiver, which is slated to come up before the WTO on May 5. Microsoft founder and the eminent philanthropist Bill Gates, in a media interview on Monday, opposed the move. Asked about it, Khanna said, "I really think Bill Gates is wrong, but this is a case I hope he will engage." The point that Bill Gates made about manufacturing capacity being restricted is absolutely correct. But what I said is, why not have a global fund, USD 25 billion, to help with manufacturing capacity and then allow the vaccine recipes to be shared. You are not going to have a lack of quality control. I think it is patronizing to say that 100 other nations can't have a regulatory process to make sure that manufacturing is safe. They can, and the World Health Organization can, he added. No one is asking Pfizer to manufacture these vaccines. No one is saying that they need to do it for free. It's important to understand they will get paid. They will be able to sell it. The reason they are not doing it would be pure greed, Khanna said. The United States government gave a USD 2 billion guarantee to Pfizer to purchase vaccines. He applauded Biden for committing to help India in its fight against the virus. So this is some good news for you. To know more, stay tuned with our channel. Please like, share and subscribe as well. Thank you.